spinach and mushroom egg white omelet, healthy high-protein breakfast for weight loss. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. If you're looking for a delicious breakfast that's low in calories, high in protein, and perfect for supporting your weight loss goals, then you're going to love today's recipe. We're making a spinach and mushroom egg white omelet. It's light, filling, packed with nutrients, and ready in less than 15 minutes. Whether you're starting your day or enjoying a healthy lunch, this recipe is a fantastic choice. Let's head to the kitchen and get started. Ingredients. For this healthy omelet, you'll need 5 egg whites, 1 cup fresh spinach, chopped, 1 cup mushrooms, sliced, 1 to 4 cup diced onions, 1 to 4 cup diced red bell pepper, 1 clove garlic, minced, 1 teaspoon olive oil, salt to taste, black pepper to taste, 1/2 teaspoon paprika, 1/2 teaspoon dried oregano, fresh parsley chopped for garnish. These wholesome ingredients provide a perfect balance of protein, vitamins, minerals, and fiber while keeping the calorie count low. Step 1. Prepare the vegetables. Heat a non-stick frying pan over medium heat. Add the olive oil, followed by the onions and garlic. Cook for about 2 minutes until fragrant. Next, add the sliced mushrooms and diced bell pepper. Stir occasionally and cook for another 3 to 4 minutes until the vegetables become tender. Finally, add the chopped spinach and cook for 1 minute until it wilts. Season the vegetables with a pinch of salt, black pepper, paprika, and oregano. Step 2. Cook the omelet. Reduce the heat to medium-low. Pour the egg whites evenly over the cooked vegetables. Allow the omelet to cook undisturbed for about 4 to 5 minutes until the egg whites are fully set. Using a spatula, carefully fold one side of the omelet over the other. Cook for another minute, then remove it from the pan. Step 3. Serve. Transfer the omelet to a serving plate. Garnish with freshly chopped parsley and, if desired, serve with sliced avocado or a side of fresh tomatoes. Your healthy, protein-packed breakfast is ready. Why this recipe is great for weight loss. 6:30. One of the biggest advantages of this recipe is its high protein content. Egg whites provide lean protein, which helps keep you feeling full longer while supporting muscle maintenance during weight loss. Spinach is low in calories but rich in iron, vitamins A and C, and antioxidants. Mushrooms are naturally low in calories and add a satisfying texture while providing important nutrients like selenium and B vitamins. Together, these ingredients create a balanced meal that helps control hunger and provides lasting energy. Health benefits. Here are some of the benefits of this healthy omelet. High in lean protein, low in calories and carbohydrates, rich in vitamins and minerals, supports muscle growth and recovery, helps keep you full longer, promotes healthy digestion with vegetables. It's an excellent option for anyone following a healthy lifestyle or weight loss plan. Helpful tips. For even more flavor, add chopped herbs such as basil or chives. If you're not avoiding dairy, sprinkle a small amount of reduced-fat feta or mozzarella cheese on top. Pair your omelet with a slice of whole-grain toast or fresh fruit for a complete and balanced breakfast. And that's today's healthy recipe, a simple, nutritious spinach and mushroom egg white omelet that's perfect for anyone trying to lose weight while enjoying delicious food. If you found this recipe helpful, please give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you never miss our weekly healthy recipes. Leave a comment below and tell us your favorite healthy breakfast or let us know how your omelet turned out. Thank you so much for watching. Stay healthy, keep eating well, and I'll see you in the next video with another easy and delicious weight loss recipe. Take care.